Hello everyone. Today I am going to start for class 4th chapter 11 and our topic is symmetry and patterns. Okay students, in this chapter we will study about lines of symmetry and reflection symmetry. Okay, lines of symmetry and reflection symmetry. Vertical and horizontal reflection. Close connection of line symmetry with the reflection in the mirror with examples. Okay, symmetry with reflection in the mirror with example we will study with example. Okay, these are the topics we have to teach in this exercise 11, symmetry and patterns. In these chapters we have to teach these things in this exercise. Okay, in this chapter, students, first of all I will introduce about understanding the symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry means what? First of all, how we will understand symmetry? Okay, how we will understand symmetry? Symmetry means what? Symmetry means getting identical thing again after some transformation. Okay, it is called symmetry. If you have any figure, suppose that student, if you have a alphabet, okay, how many lines of symmetry we can construct in a alphabet? Only we can construct one line of symmetry. Symmetry means if two lines, suppose that I have a hand, if I will divide this in two equal parts, then it will called symmetry. If you will touch, after that just try to cover your fingers, then we know that it has same part, means that when we are going to add both parts, then it is making one whole. Means that symmetry can be divide any kinds of figure into two equal parts. That is called symmetry. suppose that leaves. Friends, leaves. How many line of symmetry we can construct in leaves? We can construct one line of symmetry. When we will divide it, then it will be half, and it will be half. Okay. When we will add together, then it will make whole. That means one leaf it will make. Means that students, symmetry they will divide in two equal parts. That is called symmetry. That is called line of symmetry. Okay. Student, in this exercise, it is an aeroplane. In aeroplane, when you will divide horizontally, you will divide, then it will be divided into equal parts. Then it is called line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry it is called. Okay. And alphabet A I have. Okay. When we will divide alphabet A, vertically we can divide. Horizontally we can't divide. Suppose that if you have A, can you divide it vertically? We can't divide. Their figure will be like this and like this. It can't be divided. Okay. Because after dividing, okay, when we will add this figure, okay, when we will put this figure on this figure, then it should be make A. Okay, that's why it is not a line of symmetry. Understand? And I have a square. Diagonally I divided it. Okay, diagonally I divided it, and it divided into two equal parts. That's why it is also a line of symmetry. It is also a line of symmetry. It is when we will divide. Sorry, in umbrella we can't divide. Okay, we can't construct line of symmetry in this umbrella. Okay, right? Means that suppose that you have a circle. How many line of symmetry you can construct? The center. We can construct one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry, four line of symmetry. Infinite line of symmetry we can construct in a triangle. Okay. Suppose that students, you have a butterfly. In butterfly, how many line of symmetry you can construct? It is a butterfly. Only one line of symmetry we can construct. Suppose that the page of the book. If we will divide from here, then we can say that it will be divided into two equal parts. That's why book is also a line of symmetry. Book has also line of symmetry. Okay, it has also. Understand? This warm-up exercise you have to complete. Okay, after that, this warm-up exercise you have to complete. Check whether the following figures are symmetrical or not. Just check it. It is symmetrical. Can you divide into two equal parts? Yes, we can divide it. It will not divide. It will, yes, we can divide vertically. We can divide vertically. We can divide it. Okay. We can divide vertically. We can't divide it. Okay. We can't divide it. It means that only it has line of symmetry. It has line of symmetry. It has line of symmetry. It has line of symmetry, but it has no line of symmetry. Okay. Likewise, we have to complete. Draw two geometrical figures, one geometrical about line and the other symmetrical. We have to construct two geometrical figures that have line of symmetry. Okay. In question number 4, we are looking here. Draw the other half of the figure. Try to draw the other half. If you did one line of symmetry in this figure, then how would you construct half figure? Suppose that student, you have, and there is one line of symmetry. Means same as this figure, then it will make one whole. Otherwise, it will not make one whole. Suppose that I have a circle. They will divide. Then it will come half of the circle, and half of the circle. Right now, same as. Okay. We can construct. Understand? That is, it is a line of symmetry. Okay, one line of symmetry it has. Okay. In this figure we will also construct in this side, we will also make a figure this side also we will make. Okay. We have to complete this exercise, student. Okay. There are 6 questions given. Just tell me, which figure has line of symmetry? A has line of symmetry, B has, C has, D has, E has, but F don't have line of symmetry. F has no line of symmetry. G has no line of symmetry. H has line of symmetry. I has line of symmetry. J has no line of symmetry. K has line of symmetry. L has no line of symmetry. M has line of symmetry. O has line of symmetry. Okay, these are the alphabet. Which alphabet has line of symmetry? You have to give the answer. Okay, draw line of symmetry on the remaining letters. Okay, which have line of symmetry? Try to construct in your notebook. Take out this alphabet in your notebook. Just write down in notebook and construct line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry you can construct in A? We can construct one. Only one we can construct. Okay, likewise we have to give the answer. Okay, students, just try to complete the all exercise. Sorry, all question of the exercise. Warm up exercise, page number 181, page number 180, and page number 182. Okay.